How's it going, guys? This is Victor. Welcome to my DIY Time Tech channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix your squeaky dryer for less than $20. Most of the times this issue is caused by a faulty tensioner pulley, which is a small spring-loaded mechanism with a wheel that stands between the electric motor and the belt. Over time the wheel bearing breaks down and it starts making that loud squeaky noise. Step 1. Unplug the dryer from the power source. Step 2. Get access to the back side of the dryer and remove the air vent cover to reveal the access door. If your dryer doesn't have the access opening in the back, you may need to remove the entire back panel. Now you should be able to get an easy access to the idler pulley. Here you can see the electric motor, the idler pulley, and the spring that puts tension on the drive belt. If the drive belt breaks, the idler pulley falls all the way down and it activates the kill switch right here. In this case, the electric motor will not get any power and will not turn on. As you can see, this is very simple and straightforward mechanism. Step 4. Push back the idler pulley and take off the drive belt. Step 5. Remove the Phillips screw and then take out the idler pulley assembly. Step 6. Find out the make and model number of your dryer and find compatible replacement part. If you're interested, I'm going to post a link in the description area below where I got mine from for less than $20. Step 7. Be sure to lubricate the shaft for the idler pulley to avoid overheating and future failure. Install the replacement idler pulley in the reverse order of removal. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. If not, give it 2 dislikes. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.